You have been found guilty on all charges. Is there something you could tell the court before pronouncement of your sentence?
All we want is freedom. That's all we want. Freedom. Freedom for children to learn. Freedom for men to work. For mothers to love. For a nation to grow. That's all we want. Equality for everyone. You see, I am just one of many, a foot soldier. There will be many more to follow. So there is no court of law, no police force, no army that is going to stop the tide of a revolution from turning. There is no punishment you can lay out in this court. No law your government can pass that can kill the will of the people, because we will fight. We will continue to fight until all our people are free. And maybe we can even free you from yourselves, so you can hate us, degrade us, torture us, and kill us. But we will fight, and we will be free. One day, we will be free. Amandla.
Solomon Kalushi Mahlangu, you are hereby sentenced to death.